In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save filtered views in Asana. This is a fantastic way to keep your projects organized and ensure you're focusing on the tasks that matter most to you. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Your support helps us create more helpful content. All right, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your project in Asana. Once you're in your project workspace, look for the filter icon. That's usually located in the top right corner of your screen. It looks like a little funnel, and clicking on it will open up a variety of options for sorting and filtering your tasks. Now, once you've clicked on the filter icon, you'll see a drop-down menu with several different options. This is where the magic happens. One of the most useful options is the Assignee filter. This lets you focus on tasks assigned to a specific person, whether that's you or a teammate. Simply select the Assignee filter and then choose the person whose tasks you want to see. This is perfect for narrowing down the tasks that are relevant to you or someone else on your team. After setting your filter, you'll also notice a small caret icon next to the Save View button at the top of your screen. If you click on that little caret, a new option will appear, allowing you to save your current view as a new tab. This is a really handy feature because it lets you create a customized view without losing the original project layout. Once you select the option to save your view, Asana will prompt you to create a name for your new tab. Take a moment to click on the default name there. You can go ahead and rename it to something more intuitive, descriptive, and specific to what you're viewing. This could be something like Marketing Tasks or Project X Deadlines. By giving it a clear title, you'll be able to quickly identify the specific filtered data you need when you come back later. Now that you've named your tab, it's time to enjoy the benefits of your organized project. You can easily switch between your original project view and your new custom tab by clicking on the tabs at the top of your project. This means you can quickly hone in on specific tasks or areas of your project without getting overwhelmed by all the other information. All right, let's take a moment to check your result. You should now see your newly created tab in the project view. And by clicking on it, you should be viewing the filtered tasks you just set up based on your preferences. Isn't that easy and efficient? So, just to recap, we opened our project and used the filter icon to select Tasks by Assignee, then saved that view as a tab for quick access later. That way, you can streamline what you're working on and know exactly where to go for specific tasks whenever you need to. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you found this tip helpful for managing your projects in Asana. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to catch more tips like this in the future.